already cooked our viand for lunch together with dinner. And this is chole dal, yellow beans pulses. Today my recipe is pulses and they call it here chole beans. This is chole, dried beans. This one, like this. Half kilogram I cook because this is for our lunch and dinner. First, I boil this one because this is hard. So, I boil this one here in anggiti or chimney or pugon. Yan, nilaga ko muna ito para lumambot. So, this is already soft. Now, I will saute now garlic, onion, tomatoes. Then, I put masala, this turmeric powder, chili powder, and then salt. Onions is already brown. Now you can put now this garlics and ginger. This is already cooked. I did not make video when I put this garlics and ginger. So I put, after I put this ginger and garlics when become brown, and also this onions, I put tomatoes and then green chilies. As you can see, there is also green chilies here. Yeah. And then I put this masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. So then I put this, after paste these tomatoes, then I put already this boiled pulses or chole dal. Chole, they call it chole, this kind of beans. Dal means, they call it, dal is beans. Like mungani dal, so this is mungo beans. Beans, they call it dal. So our viand for lunch and dinner is ready. And this is for, and today is February 3, and today is birthday of my Fatma. She's already 19 years old. And today is also Shabi Barat. So happy Shabi Barat to all Muslims around the world. And inshallah, first Ramadan will start on February 17. So 10 days, 10 days, oh, yeah, 14 days, because today is February 3, and 17th of February will start first Ramadan. So after, before 14 days or 13 days, so there is already Ramadan. Yan. And this is also for our viand, for Shabi Barat. Yan. This is very tasty if you eat with chapati and kubos or roti. But for me, I will eat this one with rice. So ready na ang aming viand for lunch and dinner. And I will upload this one to make premiere, but on February 6, because I have already upcoming premiere. Tomorrow, February 4, I have premiere also, and then 5. So 6, I have to upload this one, this recipe. If you have this coriander leaves or parsley, you can put also toppings here. But I don't have coriander leaves because there is also down, but there is snow there, so I cannot go down. So this is okay also if there is no more toppings like this. And this is very tasty. pulses, yellow pulses, or dried beans, choli dal. And if you cook here in chimney or in firewood, it's more tasty than gasol. Because if I will cook in gas and very expensive also. So, so while cooking, while there is fire hell, so I cook here also in chimney. Yan. Taste natin kung tama na ba yung salt niya. Kasi, ano, baka hindi matabang. So, taste natin. Okay lang yung ano niya. Okay lang yung timpla niya. Not too much salty and not too much. Okay lang. Tapos yung ano niya, yung spicy niya, okay lang. Hindi masyado maanghang kasi konti lang yung aking nilagay na chili powder at saka turmeric powder.